It kind of looks like a pimple on prom night. Hey, Jim from Jeep with Jim. Listen, I know many of you know I'm in a contest for FORM Lighting right now. The contest is for like 6 different creators to try to get the most number of subscribers. And in return, one of those subscribers is going to win a set of FORM Lighting LED taillights. Personally, my opinion, I think that the factory taillights, hey, look, they do the job. They're good. You know, they're functional. But for me, for my black Jeep, it kind of looks like a pimple on prom night is what it looks like to me. You know, it just kind of stands out, big red, and not good. So for me, it didn't work out. Now let me show you what you could have. This is the FORM Lighting LED taillight. It's got the sequential turn signal compared to just a flashing, boring old turn signal. It's got that infinity deep look as well. So look how deep that looks. Now I'm going to show you how they look when you put them in reverse. Obviously the factory's got this little teeny little reverse light that barely lights up and illuminates the back side of your Jeep when you're trying to back up at night. But look at that thing, you barely make it out. Look at that sucker. Look at these, bright. Look how freaking slick that looks. Look how it looks when it's starting up, when you start the car up. It's got a really cool startup sequence to it. And this is what you got on your factory. I mean, it's functional, don't get me wrong, but I mean, this or this? Seriously, you get a chance to win the LED tail lights from FORM Lighting. Can't beat that for your Jeep JL. But in addition to that, the kicker is if I get more, then I will win a set of Diode Dynamics rock lights or a trailer hitch light. But I'm not keeping it. I'm giving it away to one of you guys. I don't get nothing out of this. I just have fun, right? I just want you to get a pair of tail lights and get some rock lights or either a trailer hitch reverse light. All you gotta do is sign up. Go do it right now. Help me win this contest. All you gotta do is use a link in my comments. Go sign up and you're entered for a chance to win a set of these lights right here. And thanks for following Jeepin' with Jim.